So while I'm out checking and inspecting everything, I decided to give you guys an update on that coming out of the frost part 2 video, just to see where we are in the garden a week later. Last week I put some lettuce starts in, and what else did I do? I transplanted my yellow wonder strawberries, and I planted some flowers last week. So also I planted some cabbage starts last week. So we're gonna check it out. This is the peach tree. I've only seen 2 bees back here, but I'm hoping some other insects pollinated this tree. Let me see. I did see something promising up here. There's the bumblebee. There he is. I'm moving. Just let me do the video, Mr. Bumblebee. Okay? Thank you. Um, Here it looks like this may have been pollinated. I know with the peach, do you see that little white, this fuzzy stuff, the white fuzz sticking out right there? I think they've been pollinated. I'm not sure. We'll see. These are the cabbage starts that I planted last week. I'll see if I can insert part of the video just so you guys can compare the size of the plants. Here's my bed. These are the lettuce starts I mulched yesterday with some leaves that we raked up in the fall. This is the Premier Kale. I've never had it before. Looks good. I want to try it. The starts that I put inside this bed are smaller than the starts I put in these black square containers. Those are 2 more cabbage plants right there. They're bigger because they have more room to grow than the ones here that's in this container with everything else. These are some ranunculus buttercups I planted last week. They're so pretty once they bloom. And here's that Swiss chard. I told you guys I would put some compost in here to see if I can keep it going. And here it is. I cleaned it out. And there's my Swiss chard. This will be what, the 3rd season we've grown this Swiss chard. Okay, let's see. Here are those yellow wonder strawberries, and they are putting on flowers. And they have been pollinated. These are being pollinated. There's a strawberry forming right there. All 3 of those have been pollinated. And I think that was about it, right? I don't think everything else is just flowers. Of course, those are the collards. They're looking good. Nearly ready to harvest. This one here wanted to go to seed. I picked the seeds out of the center so I can keep it going. My kids are in there playing right now, so that's what the screaming and noise is. This is the cabbage. It has put on more growth. And these are our raspberries that we purchased last season, and they're coming back up. They're beautiful. They're looking really nice. And I think that's it. I think that's all I showed you guys last week. Um, yeah, that's an update on everything that we have going on back here as far as food for now. We do have these sprouts. I just posted a video about that, all of the sprouts that I have growing inside the beds that are coming up that fell in the pots last year. That was food that fell down last year, and here we go. All those tomato sprouts. I don't know which tomato it is, but we will have enough tomato plants. Hopefully I don't have to plant any more or buy any more plants. All right, that was a quick update just to let you guys see how everything is coming along. Have a great one. Happy gardening.